Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today we're going to be doing a new episode of Interior Designer Decorates in The Sims. So in this video, we picked a house that's a bit different to the normal house that we decorate in The Sims. The last one we done was my dream home, and the one before that was like a small little bungalow home. I think I have over 13 videos of me decorating The Sims, so just the kind of videos you like. There's plenty more of where this one came from on my channel, so I'll have the playlist linked up here, so you can go over, head over and check that out, and also it'll be linked down below, so whatever you're gonna do. But without further ado, let's just get right into this video. Okay, so this home is a bit more like traditional, old English style home, so I wanted a challenge. So the house to begin with was very awkwardly shaped, and I felt it was placed on the wrong side of the lot for what I wanted to do. And also like the shadows from the sun is really annoying, so I think they'd only probably get like the best sunlight on sunset, so when it was like sunset hour, because like where it is at the minute, like it's casting a shadow down, it's not really getting any light, and it's like a big kind of hill behind it, so it can't really get light, which is really annoying. So what I wanted to do, I knew I wanted to add an extension. I wanted like a nice big kitchen, dining room, living room, very luxurious. It's a 2-bedroom home. There's a master bedroom and like a guest room, so if you have a little family, or you're a single person and you want a spare room, this house is like perfect for you. So what I would done first was I moved the house over to the opposite side, and then I kind of done like a little kind of galleyway, hallway that has like floor to ceiling windows each side of it, just so you get like a big of light, and also separates the kind of new extension to the old house, which I like, but kind of connects them in a beautiful way. Then moving into the living room, I wanted a round table because I wanted to keep like a nice flow going through into the kitchen area. So I added in like a round table, a fireplace, which is a necessity because I love a good fireplace, and it's also a nice focal point from you're in the kitchen looking straight through into the living room. So I added that in, and my couches, and I added in a rug, but I couldn't find a rug that I like that well, so I had to settle for the one I put in. And also I wanted to put rugs in the kitchen, like a runner behind where the sink is, and also a round rug for over where the table is, but I couldn't find any rugs that fit it perfectly enough to put in. I didn't want to put anything that I didn't like because I didn't want it to ruin the space or the vibe I was trying to create. So and then I added in my kitchen, and I love it because it looks like seriously like bespoke and custom to that space. Now let's just pretend that the 2 cookers I put in is one just big long one, because that's the effect I was going for if you got it. But yeah, I like it. And I added in an island as well, and I put the sink in the island because I just really like how that looks. Not gonna lie, I just really like how that looks. So, and then I put like 3 stools at the other side, just a place to sit down and have your coffee, whatever, sit at the formal kind of dining space. Even though the dining space in this house isn't like super formal, it's like a real nice kind of casual Sunday brunch kind of vibes I get from it. I really like the use of like the natural wood and like the light wood tones. I just feel like it really fits this home, and it adds life and like brightness and lightness and warmth, and yeah, brings it into the 21st century. Because I was going to do cement floors, but then I was like, I really like the herringbone or chevron, whatever you want to say, wood flooring. I just really like the look of that. So I added that in here, obviously. Also, another thing, I thought I had done this, but obviously I didn't. I wanted to create like a little seating area in the kind of hallway space going into the kitchen, like so you could sit and look out through this picture frame, basically, in the wall of like the mountains and like the cobblestone footpaths and the other houses across the river. I thought that would be a real nice spot to sit and just think. So, but obviously I didn't. I also forgot to do that, so my apologies. I also decided to create a little seating area beside the living area, just in the corner, because I also wanted to fill up the space, but also I thought it'd be a real nice chair to sit in and like either work on your laptop or read a book, or you know, sit and relax in, because I think it's a nice corner just to like soak up the room. Just admire your work that you've done. But yeah, and then I put in a little kind of wall as well, just so when you open the front door, you're not opening it straight into the living room. You have like a kind of barrier, so you know, if you're getting like food delivered to your house, let's say for example, or clothes, deliverman's delivering something, you know, and you open the door and your house is a mess behind the wall, but like, you know, they'll never know because there's a wall there, so it's all hidden. And also it gives you more privacy, so that's why I inserted the wall there. Yeah, that's why. I didn't just think of that now. That's why I inserted the wall there. Then it was really important as well for the staircase to have like the kind of almost floating stairs going up. I mean, in real life it would be floating, it wouldn't be like with the bar outside, because I just wanted like the light to kind of keep flowing through. I didn't really want any obstructions on the ground floor, just because, you know, I like the idea of it being like this old English Tudor style home and then being converted to a modern on the inside but still looking traditional on the outside. I just really like that idea. And yeah, then let's make our way upstairs into the master suite. Now I didn't decorate the guest room or the bathrooms because, you know, I don't think you'd want to see them, but if you do in the next one, do let me know so I can, you know, keep that in mind and do it in the next one. I decided to go with like a real low rising bed just because I really want to emphasize the scale of the ceilings. I just thought it was a good idea, you know. It's something different to what I normally do, and that's what I like about interior design. It's about getting creative and experimenting with different techniques and ideas, and this was just one of just ideas that just came to me, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna try that, and I really like how it looked. So yeah, I had it yellow at first. I did like the yellow, but then I couldn't find, you know, bedding that like looked good enough. So yeah, and then I also added in this amazing artwork above the bed, which I really like. I think the scale of it is like perfect as well. And I'm like looking over at my room like, I might get something that's good above my bed. But yeah, I really like the scale of it and the colour, so I tried to kind of take the green out of it and put it into the bed. And yes, I know it's palm leaf bedding, it's super trendy, and I'm not like, you know, I didn't really love it, but it was the best I could do with what was in the game. And yeah, I went with something a lot more simpler, like not really a pattern, maybe just like a texture, like a different texture at the bottom, like instead of the palm leaf cover print duvet folds over, I would want like a blanket that has like a different texture or something, but that's besides the point. But anyway guys, that's me decorating in The Sims. I really hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know down in the comments, you know, if you want to see more of these videos or any suggestions for videos you want to see me do, because, you know, I'm always open to suggestions. Also, I've been working on some really exciting projects. I've got a lot of projects lined up for September to December time, so, you know, I'm really excited about them, and, you know, that means you should be as well, because it's more exciting content for you guys. But yeah, and also my room is almost done, so that's good news. I got the paneling all finished today, and the painting will be done, you know, before midweek next week, and then I can start ordering all my other stuff for it. And yeah, I'm just taking my time with it though, because I don't want to rush it. I want it to be, you know, perfect. I don't want to just rush out the room transformation video. I want it to, like, you know, I want to take my time with it and just make sure I get it right, because it's my room. And, you know, personal space, so I want it to be, you know, perfect to show you guys, if that makes any sense. But anyway guys, I'm gonna say goodbye now. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and hit that subscribe button, also that little notification bell, just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!